Anagha Coca. Welcome to my food channel. In this video I'll be showing you a complete protein recipe, that is spice mix chicken with lot of veggies. An excellent recipe for people who work out or people who want to control their weight by having more of protein intake, and also goes well with kids lunch box. This hardly takes time provided you have all the ingredients in place, and very appetizing. So do check out this video. In case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and in case if you want to see more such videos coming in, do subscribe. Thank you.